Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is May 7, 2025. This video is on a New England Journal of Medicine article published in the May 1st issue 2025 on Lepodisiran, a small interfering RNA targeting lipoprotein(a) or Lp(a). Elevated Lp(a) is a major causal risk factor for atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease, impacting 1.4 to 2 billion people globally. Lepodisiran is a long-duration, small interfering RNA that inhibits hepatic apolipoprotein(a) synthesis. These investigators studied 320 adults with an Lp(a) of equal to or greater than 175 nanomoles per liter, and they were randomized 1:2:2:2 to receive Lepodisiran at doses of 60 milligrams, 96 milligrams, or 400 milligrams at baseline, and again at day 180. Lepodisiran at dose of 400 milligrams at baseline and placebo at day 180, or placebo at baseline and at day 180. The primary endpoint was placebo-adjusted % change in serum Lp(a) from day 60 to 180. The follow-up was extended to 540 days. Key findings: Lp(a) reductions 40.8% with 16 milligrams, 75.2% with 96 milligrams, and 93.9% reduction with 400 milligrams pooled at days 180. Prolonged effects: 94.8% reduction at day 360 after two 400 milligram doses. The effect was durable at day 540. Mild injection site reactions 0 to 12%. No drug-related serious adverse events. Limitations of the study: African American and Black participants were few despite higher Lp(a) prevalence. Only 2 doses were tested, and the clinical outcomes are pending in the phase 3 trial. This may be a quiet revolution in cardiovascular disease, not a bang, but a silencing of risk, one messenger RNA at a time. There were 2 other studies published in JAMA last year in 2024, one looking at oral lowering of Lp(a) with muvalaplin, and the second one was with zerlasiran, which is another small interfering RNA targeting Lp(a). And how did they compare? Zerlasiran had up to 96.4 reduction compared to 94.8 reduction seen with Lepodisiran, whereas the oral muvalaplin was 85.8% maximum reduction. Efficacy: zerlasiran showed the highest Lp(a) reduction, followed by Lepodisiran and then muvalaplin. Dosing convenience: muvalaplin stands out as the only oral option, while both the small interfering RNA therapies require subcutaneous injections. Durability: Lepodisiran and zerlasiran with longer intervals between doses are preferable for chronic management compared to daily muvalaplin. All 3 treatments were well tolerated, primarily with mild injection site reactions. Podcast brought to you by Master MedFacts at mastermedfacts.com.